objective is to make you better woodworkers.
It's my first time at the workshop.
I've been coming to these shows religiously every year.
And it's been absolutely fabulous.
It's spectacular.
I love the seminars. I try to get to every one of them.
Looks like a hot water heater.
Building your first piece of furniture.
I can use a turkey baster. My wife doesn't know.
Take old silver utensils and change the shapes around.
A lot of guys don't use a router because it scares.
Always looks good, always pleasing.
So far, it's just a whole bunch of different products and techniques that I really enjoy, learning.
Today, the interesting things that I've seen at the show would be probably about all the different kinds of tools that I've never seen in my life.
Gonna do it just rotates them on top and it gives you the cut.
And I just want to thank the organizers for kind of breathing some fresh life into the whole process.
Just so much information that you can pick up in such a short amount of time.
Just all the different kind of tools. It's been an amazing experience. I was here for the 2 days and wish I could be here for the third.